Hello guys, welcome back to Little Miss Music. This is episode 5. It's August 16th, 2020. And thank you for listening and thank you for watching. I've switched the camera from some good advice of my pro sister as Situation Normal Kathleen. Thank you, Kathleen, for helping me to switch that camera. So now there should be a better view when you guys are watching. I'm going to talk a little bit today about another composition that I had written quite a few years ago. This piece, I was just trying to figure out the math, and I think I wrote it in 2011 or 2010. So that's about almost 10 years ago. Change is coming my way. And I sang and played it already, so I've posted it on YouTube. It's in there. You just have to kind of look for it. It's also on Facebook. I'm going to read some of the words to you. This was a very tumultuous time that I was going through, and change was definitely coming into my life. Waves are crashing down, heading for a fall, rolling back and forth, seem to be off course. Life is moving on, but somewhere I got stuck. Can't move time backwards, so I look up. Feeling all the tension, trying to stretch and bend, move a little freer than I have been. Reaching for those limits aren't limits anymore. Feeling a little lighter, change is coming once more. Change is a-coming. Can you hear it in the breeze? Tossing and turning, reconstructing things. The leaves are swaying as the trees give way. It's me the wind is moving, change is coming again. Twisting and turning, trying to shape and bend. The trees seem so much firmer than I have been. Looks a little clearer as I reach up to the sky. Heaven's a little closer when I try. And then it goes into the chorus again. Change is coming. Can you hear it in the breeze? Tossing and turning, reconstructing things. The leaves are swaying as the trees give way. It's me the wind is moving. Change is coming my way. And so that was definitely a major life change in my life during that time. I have some of the actual original composition. Chicken scratch again. I was never, when I wrote these pieces, I was never taught how to compose music. I just felt the notes of the music coming into my head, and then would write lyrics to go with it. And so once I went to university, I learned a little bit more about composition and how to write things correctly and properly. And, but you know, for those who are wondering, you know, what comes first or how does it kind of happen? Yes, you can use you can use tricks and things and games to write pieces. But for me, when I first was exploring, or first, it was just something that just happened, that just came into my mind. So I needed to write. And so that's a big part of my life, has been writing in the past, and it's something that I need to probably continue to do. It's a part of me. Something that I use off of that topic a little bit, that I use in my studio a little bit, are some of the past great composers. So this is a fun little, these are posters. So for instance, look, we have Tchaikovsky. And then on the back of each composer picture, there's a little history about them and something interesting that you can share. So there's Bach, Handel, Tchaikovsky. There's, let me see, 24. This is a Hal Leonard. But something that you can use if you're introducing, as a teacher, if you're introducing a composer, you can easily introduce that composer with a piece of music that they might be working on. You can also just learn about some of the composers as well if you're interested. But that's pretty much for today, all that I want to share with you guys. I hope you continue to listen and watch, and I'll share more things about myself in the future. Thank you very much for listening. Bye now.